Hi, in today's video, what I'm going to be showing you is this review of this Boya BMYM1 review. I'm going to give you an audio test and everything that comes in the package, like so. Right there. This is what comes in the package right here. Right here, this is what comes in the package right here. Right here. See, this is what comes in the package right here. You get this manual that tells you how to use it. This little windscreen and this microfiber cloth. Now, what else comes in the box is this. It comes with a package, like a carrying cage. Now I'm gonna take everything out, like so. And it comes with the microphone, and it comes with this, which that can connect to a mixer, and it also comes with this little clip-on mic. Clip for the mic. Now, it also comes with a battery that you will have to input into your microphone right here. This piece right here. Where I have to enter it, and that's all that comes in. That's all that comes in with your microphone that you buy with the Boya BMY. Now, the audio you are hearing is coming from the camera. Now the next audio scene is going to be coming from this microphone right now. Hi, this is a test of the Boya mic BYM1 on a smartphone. Because if you want to connect this to a DSLR or any other smartphone or any other camera, what you want to do is you want to have one of these adapters. I don't know if you can see right here, but this adapter has 3 rings on it. You want to get an adapter that converts TRRS to TR, which means that you're gonna have to get one of these adapters that connect this little microphone adapter, which has 3 rings, to 2 rings. If you want to connect it to your DSLR or smartphone, you're gonna have to get a separate adapter. Cause I had trouble connecting it to the DSLR and camcorder. So if you have troubles connecting it, you're gonna have to get an adapter that I will put a photo up right now that you need. Or just look in the description for the link you need for the product you need to buy that will look almost similar as this one, but except it will have 2 rings instead of 3 rings, so it will connect to your DSLR or camcorder. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to that's it for this video, guys, and this review of the Boya BMY1 microphone test. Please like and subscribe. Bye.